Hi friends, today we are going to solve Inorder Traversal from the tree traversal algorithms. So here all the code has already been written. So basic idea is we'll be given an array and you have to traverse that array in Inorder Traversal. Inorder Traversal basically means that first you need to go traverse the left side of the root node, and once you have done that, then you will print the root node, and then you'll go and traverse the right side of that node. So this is the basic idea. So first we'll be checking if the root node is present or not. So if root node is present, then you'll be traversing to the left side. So to traverse to the left side, basically you have to do a recursion. So it would be root dot left. Then once you've done that, we're printing out the element. So it would be root dot info and this. Basically, you have to print all the values in a single line within space. So that's why using end and equal to one space. And at last, we'd be traversing the element in the rightward direction. So root dot right. So I guess let's run the code. As you could see, it passes all the test cases successfully. And as I will keep on reminding you, if you find a better way of solving the same solution with much more efficiency, then please comment below. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.